The 2014 Chevrolet Sonic LTZ is one of Chevy's first most desirable subcompact vehicle in many years. It is no longer the smallest Chevrolet. In some countries, the Chevrolet Sonic are also called the Chevrolet Aveo. The Sonic is offered in two different configurations, a 5-door hatchback and a 4-door sedan. Today, we're going to focus mainly on the Sonic LTZ 4-door sedan. Its main competitors include the Ford Fiesta and the Hyundai Accent. Other competitors include the Nissan Versa 4-door sedan and the new Versa Note hatchback, the Toyota Yaris, and the all-new 2015 Honda Fit. However, the Sonic is a better and more enjoyable car than some of its competitors based on the sales popularity for the previous years. Every inch of the Sonic was considered in great detail, from its dramatic lines to the subtlety of the black granite metallic paint around the headlamps. Every element worked together to create a sophisticated appearance with attitude. From its chisel front ends to its aggressive stance and expressive wheel arches, every detail builds on the other to create the Sonic. Up front, the first thing you will notice is the dual exposed headlamps. Low beam and high beam headlights are outlined by chrome accenting trims in the black granite metallic paint around the headlamps, which make it look really unique. At the bottom is the pair of halogen freeform fog lamps and the dual grille outlined by chrome accenting trims as well, with the Chevrolet logo in the middle. The front ends are very aggressive looking. This particular model comes with the 17-inch 5-spoke aluminum wheels with 205/50 all-season tires. Behind the wheel is the set of internally ventilated brake discs for the front, and the brake caliper painted in silver. It also comes with anti-lock braking system, stability track, stability control, as well as traction control. Side view mirror, and here's the look to the top. Now the LTZ model also comes standard with the chrome door handles. Alright, looking at the back, you see the pair of tail light with integrated brake light as well as turn signal light. Turbo badge on the trunk lid. Rear deck spoiler with integrated third LED brake light. At the bottom is the single exhaust tip that's hidden under the rear bumper. The LTZ model also comes standard with the rear view camera system. Okay, on the remote, I have the unlock, lock, trunk release, engine on, and panic button. Press the top button to release the key. Now let's start up the engine and check out the interior. The exterior color is known as Silver Ice Metallic, featuring a full jet black dark titanium with perforated leather seat trims. Very interesting interior for this particular car. Now let's jump into the driver's seat, start it up, and see how it sounds. Okay, so just insert the key into the key ignition and turn it once to start. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2014 Chevrolet Sonic LTZ have to offer. Under the hood is a 1.8-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, front-wheel drive, 6-speed automatic transmission with Ecotec, electronic fuel injections, pushing out 138 horsepower and 148 pound-feet of torque. Can hit from 0 to 60 in less than 8 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 110 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is 29 city and 40 highway. That's a pretty impressive amount of mile per gallon rating. Now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. Here is a look at the driver's side door panel. It is all black with gray section in the middle. There's the lock and unlock button. Driver windows are fully automatic. And there's the side view mirror control. There's the storage compartment for the door panel. And here's a closer look at the seat. All seats are perforated. Both front seats does offer heated options. Driver seat feature 4-way manual adjustable seat and 2-way manual adjustable for front passenger seat. Beautiful front bucket seat with white contrast stitching all around. And there's the pedal. The 3-spoke design steering wheel is fully wrapped in black leather with chrome accent in the middle. Looks and feel really nice. It also features multi-function control side by side for your convenience, with control for audio, voice command, cruise control, as well as the most frequent used function in the vehicle. Behind the wheel to the right, you have the windshield wiper control. And to the left, you have the turn signal light control. And here's the motorcycle-inspired instrument cluster with graphite silver accent, which is really unique. Steering wheel does feature manual tilt and telescopic steering column. And over to the left, you have the circular air vent for the driver. And just turn the knob in the middle to open and close the vent. Here's the light control and the instrument light control. Down here you have the hood release lever. And a closer look at the dash. The dash are made of hard plastic. There are plenty of storage compartments on the dash, 2 on the side of each air vent and 1 on the top. Very nice upholstery material. Rear seats are perforated as well. Now this model does come with Chevrolet MyLink, which features a 7-inch diagonal full-color display that lets you stay in touch in style. A touchscreen menu connects you to the infotainment system and everything you need. When the vehicle is in park, it allows you to project video and even personal photo album onto the screen from your phone. You can also connect your compatible smartphone via Bluetooth wireless technology and listen to music, get directions, or make phone calls, all with the touch of your fingertip. Very nice feature. Believe it or not, I really like the infotainment system on the Sonic LTZ. It is very responsive and easy to use. Down here you have the unlock and lock, emergency hazard light, climate control, storage compartment, and here's the gear lever. Just press the unlock button and pull down to get into reverse. Once you're in reverse, the backup camera will display on the navigation screen with guidance line to help with a much easier backup. And down again for neutral, down again for drive, and press the unlock and down again to get into manual mode. And that's when you can press the plus and minus button on the gear lever to change gear. Very simple to use. Here you have the 12-volt power outlet, trunk release and traction control off, park and brake, dual cup holder, and another one in the back for the rear passenger. And here you have your glove box compartment with the USB and auxiliary input. Another glove box, plenty of storage space for your need. Here's a closer look at the seat. Very nice bucket seat. On top you have the light control. And here's the rear view mirror with OnStar integrated into the rear view mirror. Sun visor mirror with a card holder. Now let's take a look at the rear seat. Rear seat offers seating for 3 passengers. And it does offer folded option. You can fold it down in 60 or 40 split. And looks like it does offer quite a bit of legs room in the back. Here's the rear passenger door panel. Now let's jump into the rear seat and see how it feels in the back. But first let me show you the look to the front cabin. And here's the look to the top. Down here you have a cup holder. Rear seat is really comfortable. I'm 5'8" and still have a little bit of leg rooms left, as well as headrooms. Rear seats are well padded and it is perforated as well. And here's the look to the back. On top you have the light. There's the hook on each side. Okay, now let's pop the trunk and see how much cargo space the trunk offers. The trunk of the Sonic LTZ offers a pretty impressive amount of cargo space, which is 14.9 cubic feet of cargo space. And also remember that the rear seat does fold it down into 60 or 40 split, so you can get extra cargo space if needed. Down here you have your spare tires and your tool. Plenty of space for your groceries. Now let me show you how to fold down the rear seat. Just press the button located on the side of each seat to fold it flat down. Very easy. gas cap is located on the passenger side and hold approximately 12.2 gallons of fuel, and it does not require premium fuel. Overall, the Chevrolet Sonic is a subcompact vehicle offering seating for 5 passengers. Rear seat is pretty decent for its class, with 37.8 inches in headroom and 34.6 in legroom for the rear passenger. However, the front is really spacious and 2 large-sized adults could be really comfortable in the front. Front bucket seats does offer good support, and the front cabin offers quite a bit of cup holders as well as storage compartments. Now let's jump into the passenger seat and see how it feels in the passenger seat. Feels really nice and have quite a bit of leg rooms in the front. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed the 2014 Chevrolet Sonic LTZ. Go ahead and leave me a comment letting me know how you guys like it. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video reviews. And I'll see you guys next time.